Sketchbook is an awesome drawing app that's perfect for anyone who loves to sketch, paint, or just doodle. It's got tons of pen and brush options, and you can draw on a blank canvas or over a photo. The best part? It's free! The app feels super professional, and you can save your work in different formats like JPEG, PNG, and even PSD. It might take a little time to get the hang of it, but once you do, you'll love it. Colorify is a super fun coloring book app that's great for relaxing and letting your creativity flow. It has lots of drawings to choose from, including flowers, animals, and even famous paintings. If you want more tools like pens and crayons, you can upgrade to the premium version. It's a great way to chill out and reduce stress. Scribble Racer 2 is a cool game where you use your S Pen to follow a line and stay within the curves. It's like a mix of a drawing game and a racing game. There are different tracks with fun themes like gardens and deserts. You can also unlock new doodles and color them in. It's challenging and really tests your skills, but it's also a lot of fun. Microsoft OneNote Save Notes is a fantastic note-taking app, and I like it even more than Samsung Notes because it works on multiple platforms. That means you can access your notes on your phone, tablet, or computer. OneNote lets you type, handwrite, draw, and even add audio recordings to your notes. You can also share notes with others, making it great for collaboration. It's like having a super organized digital notebook. Sign Easy is perfect for signing documents on the go. You can use your S Pen to create and save your signature, then easily apply it to any document. The app supports importing files from places like Google Drive and Dropbox, and you can send signed documents straight from the app. It's secure and even supports fingerprint authentication for extra safety. This app is great if you need to sign a lot of paperwork. Gboard is a keyboard app from Google that includes handwriting input. You can use your S Pen to write out messages, and the app will convert your handwriting to text. It works in any app where you can type, so it's super convenient. Gboard also has features like glide typing, voice typing, and a bunch of different emojis and GIFs. It's a great all-in-one keyboard app that's perfect for stylus users. Pixel Studio is a new pixel art editor that's perfect for artists and game developers. It's super simple to use, whether you're a beginner or a pro. You can create amazing pixel art anywhere, anytime. The app supports layers and animations, and you can even add music to your animations and export them as MP4 videos.